In this video, I'm going to show you how to get ciphers or mimetic points in Once Human very quickly. So just quickly, mimetic points are these things over here. I have 95 at the current moment, and you can use them for basically unlocking and progressing through the game. Now, there's many ways of getting them. However, the basic way of getting them, and of course, which is kind of connected to all of the ways of getting them, is by getting XP and leveling up. So what you want to do is level up as fast as possible. Now what I suggest you to do, and the easiest way, by far the easiest way to level up, is by holding down your tab key, summoning V, talking to him, pressing interact, and clicking view commissions. In here, you just simply want to go to each and every commission. I've completed all of them, so I don't have any, I can't show you. However, when you don't have those completed, you'll be able to complete all of those commissions. It's some very easy tasks, it's very basic, like cook 20 meat or boil 20 bottles of water, stuff like that. It's very easy. And then once you do this, you will get a bunch of experience, a bunch of XP, you will level up, and you'll get as many ciphers as you need. You can also find those tasks at different guys over here at these bigger outposts. So as you can see, Mayor's Market is one of them. We also have Deadsville, and there's a bunch of more of these. Okay, you have Tallgrass Inn and Greywar Camp, stuff like that. So simply walk up to those dudes, they'll tell you what to do, and then once they do, complete their tasks, and you'll be able to get as much as XP as you want and level up very fast and get those mimetic points. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.